Ban penting kena bagajing penpoi yak LPG gas syakipat ba kalong ke Rukom ke babiang Indian oil ha gajing kenra bagajing penjari ki kendon ke perkinga kathan stai lam mingi kala ai ke Showcause notice chalai tili ki distributor ha Meghalaya bat sangi akam shipor ya nyau tili ki distributor ha kaleng kathan kani senjam kalong ban khanglat gajing sambakla ya ki tenong gas chikiwai pagijaka ban pensisha baga gas cylinder kan poitek hakikti jong kinong penon kam ki badai Habakran pekilat patai kubor hak arp kundai truk yong arhajar arpun rio u Chief General Manager jong Indian Oil AOD State Office u Amar Jyoti Bordoloi. Ula pensyai begini Showcause notice la ai namar bagi ni distributor ke bisam lale ka kam ban pensisha ya ke jingpoi ugas lane ka delivery confirmation kumbala batha. Kabadi ban poi hadu kendai po ne kendai pesan nak sispa. Ula kedau beladau distributor u klemshim ya u delivery authentication code DAC. Ke company kamla banti kena la ke silinder ke point AM hakinong pendon kam ke bati kena. Bala rekim la ban pensisai ke ni ke company kan shim ke gas kala yo lat manage ki yo bean ni ke black market. Bagan shim ki senjam penstom kat kum ki kendon jong ka marketing discipline guidelines. Uli tu ru bahadu ini sneak Indian oil kadang yai pit ngor ke rukom trekam ki distributor kenang ban bit ban biang ya kinong pendon kam. Bagajing tokit garang ya cekamat dalam gajing ujor ke bawan lengba ki portal ke sorkar. Ke state level coordinator jong ki oil marketing company ha Meghalaya ka Shashwati Mudoy kala pentep ba ban khangla de gajing DBA ni ki gas LPG ki he jong ko OMC rengkat ba ke sorkar Meghalaya kala pendep ado laispa khat khandai teli ki jing khandra na do ubnai balalek. Kala pensyairu babarok ke OMC kidang syem gi senjam gi berperkeng hapo ke Essential Commodities Act ka kandai pasam pusan. Kala kentu gi patba bakin om nget gi kubor ki balam ler nama ke jingdan ke petrol diesel ka LPG kalong ke babiang. Bat ka biang ru ha ke Jylla ke rukom penpoi ru kanang ya tek patek klem kanu ke jingthut. Ha ke bedai ke rukom penpoi gas kletho bah Meghalaya dan kumba lai point nyolak kinong pendonkam kibi ojingerap leng baki hendri pun rut ligi distributor. Bat man kasngi la penpoi kumba 1,000 shispa lai teligi refill syagi yang gisam. Kalaban ba kajing penslam kalong kumbasan sngi na do kasngi babok ba kajing penslur ke rukom book online kala kio syaka prapulai nak shispa kad bah ki arbenai mensyua kadang longtang hendri pupra nak shispa. Kala kentu kinong pendonkam begini trailang daga ba pendonkam ikilat digital ban book gas ba ban ayu DAC code akapor bayo yo cylinder kenang ba rukom sam gas kan long kabasngan kabasai bat kabatikna.
From our side, we have issued show-cause notices to 3 OMC LPG distributors. All OMCs are taking strict action under Essential Commodities Act of 1955. We want to clearly state that adequate stock of petrol, diesel and LPG is available in the state and supply chain is functioning normally. Citizens are requested not to pay attention to rumors, avoid panic buying and refrain from spreading misleading information. The government of Meghalaya and the oil marketing companies in the state assure all the citizens that the supply situation of petroleum products is fully stable and under control and uninterrupted supply to the public is being ensured. Thank you.
To start only because see the permission for taking the delivery extra delivery charges is raised with the government. They do the assessment for a distributor whether his supply areas are within the permit because our commission that we give oil companies give commission in two parts. One is the distributors commission and one is the delivery charges. So if that delivery charges are found to be inadequate by the government, they are at liberty to give a additional charges. And here I think that process is there in many hilly states in the country. This process is there.
But the consumers are paying, not the government.
But the decision lies with the government, not with the oil companies. In fact, all of you will be happy to know that we have already started construction of an LPG bottling plant in Meghalaya and in Umiam only, which is right next to Shillong. And it is the mechanical completion of that bottling plant is expected by June or July of this year itself. And the commissioning we are expecting by another 1 or 2 months after that. So from maximum from July or August, we will be having at least 22 loads of LPG supplied directly from Meghalaya to the state of Meghalaya. So that is a great addition to the supply logistics that will take place in this hilly state. The moment that comes in, the ease of reaching the cylinders to the distributors will be only a matter of 1 hour or so, because it is so near. Garo Hills actually is where the proximity of Garo Hills is very near to Bongaigaon. So we have our bottling plant in Bongaigaon, and one bottling plant, the cost is also one factor which is looked upon when a bottling plant is made. So Bongaigaon is adequately able to supply. The capacity of Bongaigaon plant has been made in such a manner that it is adequately being able to supply to Garo, entire 6 districts of Garo Hills. So that process is continuing, and there is no issue as such as far as the supply is concerned from there. This is why this scheme of Pradhan Mantri Jylla Yojana had come. See, this scheme, a beneficiary, which is defined under some acts that he is under below poverty level, that lady consumer is able to get an LPG connection entirely free of cost. They don't have to pay a single rupee for a stove, one LPG cylinder with full gas, and the stove. This whole set is given free to them. And then currently they are also getting 300 rupees subsidy for every cylinder they are purchasing. So it is going to their bank account. So that is why this EKYC process is so important for a PMOI consumer. So this is a process, entire country. We have issued already, you must be knowing also, around 10 crores customers has been given this free LPG connection, and it is a huge scheme which is discussed worldwide, that how India has been able to, and they are doing it, and now people has also become aware. You will be noticing that many people are coming to the LPG distributors also to do the EKYC now. So that awareness is come. Awareness is come. Here the EKYC percentage was very low. I think it was around 30s.
Yes.
Now it has gone up to around 68%. So naturally, when people are coming to know, and for PMI consumers, if they are not doing the EKYC, they are missing out of that subsidy also, which is being given to them. So this awareness has come now in the state of Meghalaya as well, and people have started doing EKYC.